Hi friends, today we have noun phrase. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words with some meaning. For example, in the sky, on the table, a lovable person, a nice gentleman. So phrases. What is noun? Noun is name of a thing. So noun phrase means a group of words where the noun is the main word, or we say the head word. Here it is. We have got noun phrase. For short we say NP. All the time you need not say noun phrase. You can say NP. And NP is a group of words with the noun as the main word or head word. Headmaster, the main master. Like that, head word, the main word. For example, here you will find all the underlined words here. From here onwards, man, animal, boy, brother, book, grandfather, balls, buildings, books, then chance, students. These are head words or main words in that group. And therefore we say a group of words where you have the head word or the main word is a noun, that is a noun phrase. Now noun phrase can stand alone. A single word can be a noun phrase. For a man, you call it a noun phrase. Why now? You can, if you want, expand it. That is the reason why it's called. Even single words are called noun phrase or NP, we say. Usually what happens is that a noun is modified. The modifiers can be articles, a, and, the. Can be possessives, my, your, his, her, its, their, theirs. Possessive, Then apostrophe a boy, apostrophe is boys, girls dance, you can say. Boys, your boys class, girls class, grandfather's room. So grandfather's, that is possessive. Or it can be demonstratives like this, that, these, those. These are demonstrative, showing, pointing out. Or it can be an adjective. Adjectives describing words. Words describing nouns. For example, good boy, nice girl, gentleman, lovable father, lovable mother, affectionate mother, lovable sister, all those things. Lovable and so on. Or it can be numerals. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 2 days, 1 day, 5 days, 16 days, you call numerals. Or it can be ordinals. Ordinal, they say now, first, second, third, fourth, they are called ordinals. Third chance, first chance, fourth chance, and so on. Or it can be, you can also say quantifiers, quantifying. Quantifying means they tell you the quantity. How much? All the boys, all the girls, some boys, few boys, many boys, little water. Little water. All, some, few, many, little, these are quantifiers. Therefore, what happens, or they can be, as in this case also, you have my, determiner, old, adjective, happy, adjective, grandfather, noun. There can be any number of adjectives. The Indian, clever, beautiful, the Indian, clever, beautiful girl. So you can get any number of adjectives, not one or two. So adjectives, they modify, articles modify. Is it boy? When I say a boy, it is modified a little. Modify means slight change is made. The boy. An umbrella. An orange. The boy. The man. The gentleman. The clever gentleman. The clever, gentle, nice man. The clever, gentle, nice, smart man. So you can have any number of adjectives like that. But there should be a head word and main word, and that main word or head word is a what is it? I told you noun. Now you have what you can see: a man, an animal, the clever boy, my brother, his book, my old happy grandfather, this board, these boards plural, that building, those buildings plural, 3 books. You have got numerals, first tense, ordinals, all the students quantifiers. Understand that? And this is how you form a noun phrase. You can make noun phrases like that. Now here you can see determinants of this. There are adjectives you can understand, numerals you can understand, ordinals you can know, quantifiers you know. Then determinants, a and the, this, that, these, those, my, your, his, her, their, boys. These are called determinants. In one word is a determine. They determine the noun. The boy determine. They fix the noun. My book. Their fixing is there. Grandfather's garden. The fixing is there. So articles, possessives, and you can say articles, demonstratives. This book. Articles, demonstratives, and possessives, they are called determinants. Sometimes certain words occur before determinants, that is quantifiers. All the king's men. All the determinant is the. Before that, quantifier comes, then you call it a predeterminer. Example here, you can see quantifier before a determiner is a predeterminer. All the king's servants. All the king's servants. This is already a determiner. But before that comes a quantifier, then pre means before. It comes before, so it is predetermined. Now in the text you have to identify. First one is the magnificent old banyan tree. The is a determiner, magnificent is adjective, old is adjective, banyan tree. Banyan, this an adjective, and then tree. Tree is the main word. An old tree. There is a determiner, there is an adjective, there is a noun. The noun is the head word. The cobra, determiner, the, and cobra is the noun, head word. A small rendered room. A determiner, small adjective, rendered adjective, room, noun, head word. The long supporting gable. The determiner, supporting adjective, long adjective, supporting adjective, and gable is the noun. The magnificent old banyan tree. If you write banyan tree as one word, then banyan tree is the head word. That's it. I think now it is clear to you what is a noun phrase. So with this we come to the end of the discussion of our lesson, the famous poem written by a nature poet, that is William Wordsworth. I hope I have explained everything to you. Now it is both of us together will read this lesson again and again, and if possible we can learn some of those lines by heart, so that you can reproduce those lines in your answers to make your answer beautiful. Alright, I hope I have been of some help to you. Okay, bye.